What's the meaning of confiding? Confiding. Confiding.
Confiding. Confiding. The word confiding refers to the act of sharing private or confidential information with someone who is trusted. When someone confides in another person, they are entrusting them with sensitive information that they may not want others to know. This act of sharing can help to strengthen bonds between individuals and build trust. However, if the information shared is not kept confidential, it can damage the relationship and lead to a loss of trust. Overall, confiding can be a powerful tool for building deeper connections and fostering trust in relationships.